16 acres in Macon County, Georgia, mostly wooded, with gentle rolling terrain and easy access from a paved road. Property lines are clear, showing the full layout. Aerial shots highlight the tract's size, wooded areas, and connection to nearby roads. Walking through, you see open spots and wooded sections suitable for building, recreation, or small-scale agriculture. Further aerials show the surrounding landscape and the property's scale. Closing shots capture the full expanse and natural features, emphasizing the land's versatility.